6:42 right now, a critical day in court. Singer David is set to face a judge in the murder case of a Lake Elsinore teen. Now, the hearing comes as NBC4 Investigates learned that some employees at the LA County Medical Examiner's office are under investigation in connection with this case. And NBC4's Lauren Coronado is live at the courthouse with exclusive details. Lauren.
Adrian, good morning. Let's go ahead and start with that status hearing, which is scheduled to begin in about 2 hours or so. We know the judge and attorneys will meet to make sure that this case is on track, right? Now, we do know that the defendant was in court about 3 weeks ago. That's the last time he faced a judge. These are sketches of the singer, David Anthony Burke, simply known as David. You see him in that bright orange jail jumpsuit. We know David is accused of killing 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez, whose dismembered body was found in the trunk of a Tesla registered to David, which was abandoned in a Hollywood yard. David has pleaded not guilty. The medical examiner's office said the cause of the death was, quote, multiple penetrating injuries, indicating a stabbing. NBC4 Investigates has learned after talking with several sources, more than a dozen employees, including investigators and administrative workers, that a number of employees at the LA County Medical Examiner's office are being investigated for possibly accessing sensitive files without permission. The probe began after the LAPD went to court to lock down the autopsy file of Rivas Hernandez following a number of medical leaks. Now, the medical examiner's office refused to seal the file while the case was under investigation. Police did get a court order again to lock down the file, but the leaks continued, and that could be the reason this internal investigation began. Now, the Department of the Medical Examiner gave NBC4 Investigates a, quote, no comment when asked about the internal investigation. The preliminary hearing is scheduled for July 21st. That's when prosecutors will have to lay out the evidence they plan to present at trial. Now, this morning's appearance should be fairly brief. Of course, we'll be inside the courtroom and we'll continue to keep you posted on the very latest right here and on our NBC LA app. Reporting live in downtown, I'm Lauren Coronado for Today in LA.